Folks, if I got some breaking news for you, I almost fell out of my chair when I heard this. The United States State Department, and along with the federal government of the United States, is issuing a 90-day export of firearms ban. This is for civilians that are overseas only, not in the United States. This is for weapons that are semi automatic and non semi automatic. So your one barrel shotgun qualifies under this ban. Now, the ban exempts the U.S. Export Control Agreement to Ukraine and Israel and 90 countries that are under this agreement. But the State Department says the reason why we're doing this is because of radical extremist groups and hate crime. Plus, people with mental disability, we might want to look at these people because they might go off on their neighbor, or perhaps they might even go against our government, and we don't want that. The State Department says that the American firearms are going to be banned for 90 days for exports, along with the ban of foreign firearms that U.S. gun manufacturers use as partnerships. What do you guys think about this? Do you guys think it's fair, or do you guys think it's not? Drop in the comment section below. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.